pulmonary and systemic circulation. Human heart, or internally, the human heart is divided into 4 chambers. Our human heart is made up from 4 chambers. But in the human being, the blood is travels through the heart in 2 times, that is twice. That's why it shows, means a human heart shows the double circulation. Why it is called double circulation? Because the blood passes twice through the heart. The blood flows 2 routes, that is pulmonary and systemic circulation. In the pulmonary circulation, the difference between the systemic and pulmonary circulation is, in pulmonary circulation, the course of blood is from how the blood travels through the heart twice during the time of circulation. That's why the human heart is also known as pulmonary and systemic circulation. During the time of pulmonary circulation, the blood which is present in the right ventricle enters into the pulmonary artery or pulmonary trunk or pulmonary aorta. And that pulmonary trunk or pulmonary aorta emerges from the upper best corner of the right ventricle. During the ventricular contraction, the blood which is present in the right ventricle enters into the pulmonary artery or pulmonary trunk, or it is also known as pulmonary aorta. And through this pulmonary trunk or pulmonary artery, that impure blood or deoxygenated blood from right ventricles to the lungs is carried. That is the one route, means deoxygenated blood is forwarded or passed towards the lungs for its oxygenation, and that route traveled by the circulating fluid or by the blood is known as pulmonary circulation. While in the systemic circulation, the pure blood which is present in the left ventricle during when the ventricular contraction takes place, that time the blood which is present in the left ventricle enters into the systemic aorta or systemic arch and is distributed or is forced to different parts of the body or different organs of the body, and from the different parts of the body towards the heart. Means that route which is traveled from left ventricle to the heart except lungs is known as systemic circulation. That is the main difference between pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. The third type is coronary circulation. From the systemic aorta or systemic arch, a branch of systemic aorta enters into the wall of heart, means enters into the cardiac muscles which are present into the walls of heart. These branches are nothing but the coronary arteries. Means with the help of coronary arteries, the pure blood is supplied to the walls of the heart, means the cardiac muscles which are present in the heart. And from that cardiac muscles, deoxygenated or impure blood is collected with the help of the coronary veins. And all these coronary veins then reunites to each other and forms a common blood vessels which is known as coronary sinus. And with the help of coronary sinus, the impure or deoxygenated blood which is collected from the cardiac muscles is poured into the right auricular chamber. And that circulation or the route traveled by the circulating fluid or blood from systemic aorta to branch of coronary artery, from coronary arteries to coronary veins, and from coronary veins to coronary sinus, then coronary sinus into the right auricle. That route which is traveled by the circulating fluid or blood is known as coronary circulation.